What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we got some goodies. Yep, we got more goodies for the ding ding, guys. Check it out, check it out, check it. Not floss, no. We got some spray for your slide out for the rubber chinguses on the side. Keep them nice and clean, moist. I'm not sure. I haven't really done some research on this, but it looks like it's a rubber seal condition because I don't want to have no issues with the slide. But the main thing, oh, and you gotta wait till you see the surround sound I just put on this toy hauler. But this thing, so it's 109 bucks. Now this, you guys know, I've got this same Dometic. The only difference is, see this bad boy? See that little logo right there? Probably not, because this camera is just awful. There you go. Look at that, Bluetooth, baby. This is a Bluetooth right here. So this means with your Bluetooth, I can control with my phone, hopefully. We'll see if it works. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's go ahead into the ding ding and try it out. All right, let's just put this towel down over here because it's a little wet outside. I haven't got me like a nice mat to put here yet. So, bam, there we go. So you can wipe it so I don't get water everywhere. All right. First things first, guys. Check this surround sound system. So this is a Bose system I put in here. And yeah, this, I'm going to have to, I think I'm going to have to get it like way longer to put it on the side over here so I can pull when I want to pull the TV out. But for now, I just stuck it here. But, I mean, this, well, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it on camera, but it's pretty incredible how this thing sounds. I got the subwoofer right here, temporary for now. I haven't decided yet where I'm going to put it. Maybe I'll just store it here, then once I pop this out. I'm not sure if there's a plug somewhere over here. What I noticed about this toy hauler is all of the plugs, they stick them, up top, right over here. They don't have any, like, down on the floor on the wall. They're all, just, like, one up there. This is, like, the one closest to the floor right here. But other than that, there is nothing over here. Now, I'm going to play something for you guys over here on the Netflix. We got our Apple TV over here. So I'll just play this Spencer movie right here, whatever the hell it's called. I checked my phone. It's telling me one of my Orbi satellites is down. So we're going to reset my internet real quick. And then I'll show you guys the surround sound. But first, let's start this. So I got the Dometic here. I just got this. You can get it at your local trailer place. This wasn't a big deal. A lot of people had them in stock. Now, I've heard good things. I've heard a lot of bad things about it. I've heard that if you have the style, and let's head over. And don't worry, guys. For this, I'll show you the surround sound. I'll do that later at the end of the video. So if you still want to hear it, stay tuned for the end. But for this, so there's two types of styles, I guess, on toy haulers. You got, and I'll pull this off. So you see, it's identical. Let me grab it. Identical for you, but it's just one is Bluetooth and one isn't. That's it. So now, if you guys have this, and you do pull it off right here, so it just pops off. If you pull it off, and you don't have these wires, and you have a phone cord, like a RJ45 jack, this will not work. It will give you nothing but problems. If you have this style, where you got the 3 pins and you got the 3 wires, then you're good to go. So, supposedly, it's this easy. And this is what the guy said. Literally just pull this off. You don't even have to use this board that's in it. He says you can literally just pop the face off and use just this face. Now, is that true? I'm not sure. I don't know anything about air conditioning, but, everything sort of looks the same, except, here on the new one, it has this thing that says Recalm. Yeah, I can say Recalm. This one has looks like a capacitor in it. Now, I'm not sure if this Recalm is a capacitor or if it's got something to do with the Bluetooth. Also, this has two little, like, circuit, I don't know what they are, above that pin. This one only has one. So, we're going to see if it's that easy, just pop on, pop off. I don't think so, but, we'll see. Bam, just like that. Okay, it's on. By the way, guys, this did not come with any directions or anything with it, so I'm going to just keep it like this. Grab the phone now. So you go to download this app, and I'll show you the app real quick, what I downloaded. All right, this is what the app looks like right there. Dometic Thermostat. Bam. no paired. So let's add new connection. Select your thermostat. Okay, let's pair it and see what this thing says. You okay? Well, maybe that's weird. All right, let's see. Maybe we gotta hold the Bluetooth or turn this thing on. All right. All right, we're gonna have to diagnose this a little bit. So give me 1 second till I figure out how to figure this out. All right, guys. Well, nobody's answering the phone now. I don't think it's that easy because I don't see, unless this already has the Bluetooth device in it, but it is not exactly the same as this, so I don't think that guy knew what he was talking about. So we're gonna swap this out and well, plug the wires in and see what happens. Okay, guys. Well, we pull it apart. So you get your red, I assume your power, your black, your ground, your purple, probably your common. So we're going to hook up now the new one. Which one? Oh, that was the new one. And we're gonna see what happens. Hey, would you look at that? We got a Bluetooth logo showing. So the guy at the trailer place was wrong. I'm shocked. It was really easy, guys. Well, I can't say it's easy yet. It's not working yet. We just finished it, but all I did was pull the wires out. Took a photo of it, but it's simple. You just positive and your ground and your purple one, I think it was the common. So now, let's get my phone. Now that we have a Bluetooth logo popping up, go back to the application here and see, add a new device. Hey, look at that. We got a device now. Bam. So I assume the serial number links up to this. Let's see what that does. Okay, let's pair with selected thermostat. Press the mode button on the thermostat until off is displayed to start authentic. Okay. Off. So it's got to say off. Enter your PIN. I would assume the PIN is going to be 03. 03. Enter. We got some action. Connection failed. Alright, that's great. So now let's see why and what happened there. Alright, this is where I messed up, guys. So we're doing it again. So you got to put the numbers twice. So when they give you a 2-digit number, 51, you got it. Oh, crap. Timed out. Oh, that was my fault. So you got to hit that number twice. So let's see, 772. 7272. Enter. Bam! Hey, check it out. Okay. So now I guess let's hit mode. Let's kick on the AC. Turn it all the way down. Would you look at that? We got AC. Oh, I think that's it, guys. So that's working so far, and I believe, yeah, this is I think as long as you're like 50 feet away. I was doing some homework on it. I read this will work as long as you're within the distance. So we're gonna try the heat and then go from there and see how that works. All right, now we just kicked furnace on. It's 66 in here according to that. So we just kicked the furnace on. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, that's off. Okay, so whoa. Furnace. There we go. Alright, furnace is on. Let's wait and see. Yeah, this matched up. Wow, so I gotta say, guys, for $100, and for me, why I like this, it's worth it to me, because some of you guys say, well, Eddie, why don't you just, get up and turn it on? We're at the desert, sitting by the fire, relaxing, guys, and smoking the cigar. All right, you're gonna get ready to go to bed soon. Me personally, I don't want to get up. So for the $100, I'll take this all day. This is really nice to control it by your phone. And say you are sleeping, up in your bunk, or you're sleeping, in your bedroom, and you're getting cold, you're getting hot. I know none of you mother flowers want to get out of bed when you're cold or hot. So that right there also is the best thing, because this thing now, you can just do it by your phone, and it works easy. The furnace is not kicked on yet, though, so maybe this is off a little bit. So let's go to 72 and see what that does. And hopefully, now that's on, the furnace should kick right on. Oh, we just heard the furnace kick on. Yep, it's coming out cold, but hey, it's working. I love it. And then for you guys ask me, well, Eddie, What else did you do to the trailer? I just bought a bunch of little stuff. So here's another app if you guys want to know about propane. So hit this little propane tank right here. I got this on Amazon too. I have 2 7-gallon tanks up there. It's really easy. Again, if you guys need help with this stuff, you can DM me on my Instagram at Eddie's Life. But look at this. So my left tank, 100%. It's all Wi-Fi. You don't need Wi-Fi. You just put this little device right under the tank and it works. Right tank, 96%. I mean, so I like to, guys, if I can, control everything by my phone. It's just a lot easier for me that way, and I like the technology. Also, this is that power watchdog that I can control, monitor everything in the trailer. Jensen, that's, you know, this stuff up here I haven't really messed with yet, and that's just for my humidor on my cigar. My next thing I'm going to try to figure out, see if there's something or a way where I can control even the slides and the awning outside. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to keep looking. And for you guys that stayed for the end of the video to check out the surround sound, thank you. But let's see. We're on YouTube TV over here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Hold up. Hold on. Go a little Chicago PD. All right. Let's show you guys how this bad boy sounds. And what's nice is it's linked up with the Apple TV remote. So I don't need to use the regular remote. So here's the regular remote right here. Turn it down to 0.
Doesn't matter.
Now, let's crank it up. Hopefully we can get some action part. Oh, look at that. Can you feel the shake? Can you feel the rumble? Can you hear it? Oh my God, really? Talks. This is probably the worst time to show you surround sound. There we go. Man, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the sound is incredible out of this. Also, guys, we fixed the back TV right here to get it to mirror. So it happened to be a bad HDMI splitter. I had a spare in the garage, and luckily I used it. So contacted Eclipse. They're going to send me a brand new one. Right now, I'm just using mine because I wanted to figure out what the problem was. But hey, we got them both working now. But I also got a separate Apple TV for this also. Well, guys, I gotta say, everything's working good so far. I have left this thing pretty much on, plugged in. Took a shower and, you know, it worked good. Heater, AC works. No leak. I left it outside. You can see here, there was pouring rain. As of right now, though, there are no leaks. Thank goodness. Nothing, you know, on the floors. I've been checking. But other than that, everything is good. I will put the slides out once it stops raining. Or once the garage comes, I'll leave it out. One thing for you guys, if there's any professionals about attitude or toy haulers. So, I hear when, or just in general, when you have a slide, I hear it's best to store it with the slide out so you don't damage the seals, I guess, on the outside. Supposedly, these things don't like to be stored with the slides in. They like to be stored with the slides out. So if some of you guys or any of you guys can confirm that, let me know, please. I thought it's better to store it with the slides in, but, you know, apparently I'm wrong, I think. But that's all I got for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Peace.
Yeah.